Brilliante.
However small, let me be part of it all. Share your dreams.
That song is my song. I am Lorenzo, and I am a dreamer. I've always been a dreamer. I grew up wanting to change the world. In fact, I even wanted to become president of the Philippines. But growing up in a family of educators and overseas Filipino workers, dreaming these big dreams, they seemed too far away. But I embraced my aspirations and believed that one day, all these may just come true. My mom and dad are both teachers, one of the most noble yet underpaid professions in the world. Seeing them break their backs daily actually made me realize that in this world, hard work isn't enough. Because if it was, we would have been all billionaires by now. I'm actually amazed at how they were able to make ends meet for me and my siblings. When I honestly do the math, I am still at awe of how they were able to pull miracles to give us the best life with the little they had. I felt how tiring it was to be poor. I saw it in the eyes of my parents. I felt it in every compromise we had to make. But thankfully, we had friends who let us ride their cars whenever we have to go to church or vacations. My classmates' parents, they also prepared food for me for school. But however, as much as I am grateful, I wanted to have our own. Our own car, our own travels, our own house. I wanted an abundant life for us. Hence, at a young age, I got myself involved in a lot of extracurricular activities just to improve my skills and competence. Because I knew that was the only way opportunities could find me. I studied hard so I can enter and graduate from the University of the Philippines, our country's top university, where I finished my degree in psychology. I attended lots of trainings, conferences, and seminars to beef up my resume because that's the only way I know that opportunities could find me. A kid like me, I can't wait for opportunities to knock. I had to build my own door. So right after graduating, I was already juggling multiple jobs as a researcher, writer, and tutor. In these engagements, honestly, my dream sounded ridiculous to most. But I realized later on that maybe, just maybe, I may just be in the wrong room. So when COVID hit in 2020 and I saw my friends getting laid off from supposedly stable jobs and relatives dying because of illnesses, that's when I started asking myself, is this really the life I'm meant to live? Because I hope it's not. Because this isn't our practice life. This is all there is. So in May of 2020, I started looking for opportunities that can give me not just income, but also purpose and freedom. And that was when Usana was introduced to me. I saw an Instagram story by an acquaintance. And as an ambitious 23-year-old kid, I reached out, gathered my resources, and started my journey. Since I started, I attended every training available to me. I honestly treated each one as a key needed to unlock the skills, character, and mindset I'd be needing to succeed. I sought mentorship and guidance from mentors who I trade lives with. But way more than the results, I was more curious about the people they've become in the process of getting to their goals. Early on, I understood that if I had to stay late at night to present our business and attend coaching sessions, I would. Early on, I understood that if I had to drive long distances just to meet prospects and train my brand partners, I would. If growing my business meant staying late up night, sacrificing and delaying gratification, I'd happily take that extra mile. Because you know what? Early on, I've known that that place is never crowded. And thankfully, after 5 years, we were able to make a couple of our dreams come true. Who would have thought that that young kid who had to ask for a lift all his life would be able to buy his family a car at 25 years old? Who would have thought that that young kid who had to ask for money just to go to his engagements would be able to travel the world, would be able to go to Indonesia, Japan, Vietnam, Singapore, Malaysia, Maldives, South Korea, Japan, and the United States of America, all because of Visana. That's a total of 8 countries in the past 5 years. My 23-year-old self, he wouldn't believe me if I told him that 5 years later, he'd be able to start building the family he just once prayed for. By proposing to the girl of his dreams in one of the most beautiful places I've ever been to, Lake Tahoe in California. Today, I hope I was able to remind you that you are never too ambitious. You are never too young or too old to dream. You are allowed to dream bigger than the life others imagine for you. Honestly, you will sound crazy to most. But trust me, God planted that dream in your heart for a reason. Your younger self, He deserves to see you smiling, shouting, screaming at the top of your lungs in the most beautiful places you just prayed to be in. Enjoying that abundant and comfortable life you just once prayed for. And as I end, I'd like to thank my mentors, our foundational leaders in Usana, my personal idols who I'm actually sharing the stage with today. They might not know it, but their stories and successes gave so much hope to a once poor young kid from the Philippines. Yes, I might be standing on the shoulders of giants, but I will not stop just being in awe of them. I will hold on and keep on pushing until my dreams become a reality also. Because dreams, they do come true if and only if you want them to. I am Lorenzo, a visionary, a dreamer, a leader. And I will be one of Usana's foundational leaders globally. I bet you, the next wave of Diamond Directors, they will come from me. Thank you.